Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with some altered baby dolls. The other day on a live video I did these dolls. These are inspired by Mark Montono. Like that. Got his big ass book of crafts. I have the second one coming on Saturday. And I did a little Dollar Tree haul because I wanted to show you the books I found. And I ended up coming home with 2 baby dolls. I did call Tara after I hung up, and she told me not to worry about. She told me to keep them. She wasn't worried about $2. She just, this person come back in, she'll replace them. But so I thought, what am I gonna do with these dolls? Oh, what a good week, eh? I decided to do that on these. And I know people like get freaked out a little bit. Sabrina goes, I can't. Sabrina, she's so funny. She's like, I thought you were freaking her out. So I just wanted to do a little project share on these, just in case nobody wanted to go through the whole live video. So there's this one. And then there's this one. And they do sit up. I have them sit up on a shelf or on my cupboard. And then there's this one. I think they're cool. Some people may not think they're cool, but I think they're cool. So that's those two I did the other day. Now, so I took the baby dolls, and they're just tiny little baby dolls. And the first one, I used the leftover paper from doing these two. So there's a mixture of these two papers in this one. Okay? And here we go. There it is, guys. I know it's different and weird, but hey, it's mixed media, right? I can be different and weird at the same time. So basically, I did the same thing. I just took the paper and I took this off, trimmed off the little legs parts, and added some buttons and the wire going through. Put some of this Dollar Tree wings. I used this on these bigger wings, and it can sit like so. After a while, I get it. There we go. So that's this one. I haven't put any covering on this yet. I have to do that yet. I use triple thick on these, so they're a little bit shiny. I'm not going to do that on this one. I'm going to use some clear gel medium. I'm thinking to seal this. So that's that one. The next one, I was kind of going to the vintage theme a little bit. So I have no color on this. I use this vintage medical book, I think it is. The paper was tinted a little yellow, it's very hard to tell, but it is yellowish. And I just wooden buttons and this butterfly wings from the Dollar Tree. And so that's this baby. Butterfly babies. That's what they're at. Butterfly babies. It sits like that. It will sit. So that is my project share for them. Like I said, not everybody's into them. I really liked how these turned out. I'm very proud of these. These kind of look a little freaky to me more than the Barbies, but hey. Ooh, I am sorry if you're hearing that thunder. Yeah, we have a wicked storm going through. I'll probably lose my power because my lights have blinked a few times. Hopefully not before my pizza's done cooking. So it's not everybody's gig to do dolls. I get that. Sabrina says they freak her out, which is okay. But she goes, I'll go in and I'll watch it real quick and give you a like. That's what she said to me. I laughed. I was giggling. So, but I just wanted to share what I was working on. If any questions, just leave them in the comments and I will answer you. I had fun making them. And I do have 2 Barbies over there. One, if I wanted to do another one like this. I want to do Sally from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I was going to do that, but I decided I'm going to wait on that until like maybe October-ish, or no, September-ish. Because Diamond puts all that up in October, and then she leaves it up. And this year, I think she told me that she's going to try to mix Harry Potter as well, Nightmare Before Christmas. The last two Christmases, I made stuff. the night before Christmas for her, and as well as Harry Potter, and she wants to incorporate it all this year at her Christmas. So I think I'll do that later in the season, like probably September, so she has it for October. Plus, I want to look at her a little closer so I can kind of get it in my head, because I want to leave the hair on it instead of how I got the paper going here. But I want to do the face, and I'm thinking of just using a plain tan color paper and kind of doing little stitches around certain spots on her. So I want to get a nice picture of her and stare at it and look at it before I do it. And who knows, I might do it before then. But I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for checking out my baby dolls and Barbies. And or they're called my butterfly babies. And as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good night. And I'll see you on the next video.